For Movie Actress of the Year, Gina Alahar, Monday first screening.
Gusto mong ipamukha sa akin na hindi ako karapat-dapat na magkaroon ng kasama sa gusto.
Nora Ono, Catherine Bernardo, A Very Good Girl.
Wala ako. Details kayo.
Sharon Cuneta, Family of Two.
Nasaktan ako.
Ma, usap naman tayo.
Hindi ako tanga.
Alam ko naman yun, hindi ko naman iniisip yun sa'yo.
Pero doon sa ginawa mo, parang gano'n naman.
Ay Aida Las Alas, Litrato.
Yung litrato ng anak ko at yung ako ko, hindi ko na matandaan kung saan ko naaninita.
Alessandra De Rossi, What If?
I don't really know how to take care of anything or maybe I just don't deserve to be in any relationship.
Gladys Reyes, Apa.
Isa akong sa pangkaso.
Marian Rivera, Rewound.
Matagal na ako. Alam mo yung pakiramdam na gusto mo rin mabuhay?
Maricel Soriano, Miss Mother's Class.
Ay mo, pwede kami para sa anak ko.
And Vilma Santos, Elementary Culture.
Ano nangyari? Ilang beses ko ba sinabi sa'yo kung kaya ko? Rumo ka talaga.
Ang hirap naman mamili. PNPC, how did you do this? Ang hirap! And the grand reveal is about to unfold. And the star movie actress of the year is... Sabay naman tayo. Nakakabahan kasi ako.
Okay, let's do this. The star for Movie Actress of the Year goes to... For the very first time in Philippine Awards history, we have a triple tie! Congratulations!
Congratulations to our national artist, Nora Ono, for Pierre.
And Diamond Star is Mother-san.
And so congratulations to the star for all seasons, Ms. Vilma Santos, for Matthew in Tokyo.
Presenting the trophies for the PNPC, the PNPC President Valeria Mendo, the traditional prize of 21,000 for each from Playtime, presented by Playtime's ambassadress, Binibini Pilipinas, Samantha Acosta, and Playtime Lead Marketing, Jan Yamado.
For the first time in awards history, we got a triple tie for our Movie Actress of the Year. Congratulations once again to Ms. Nora Honor, Ms. Vilma Santos, and Ms. Maricel Soriano.
Maria. Parang ko masisiya. Excited. Maraming salamat. Siyempre, hindi ko naman in-expect ito. Alam ko, si Ate Rian, si Ate Gaya, mananalo dito. Yung dalawa. Ay, nasali ako, napakaswerte ko naman. Unang-unang gusto kong pasalamat sa kasama ko sa trabaho. Siyempre, nangunguna na dyan yung matasa. Matasa yung sa siya. Walang iba kundi si Mr. Paula. Ngayon, aking dalawa kong kapulian. Diba? At syempre po sa aming staff crew, maraming salamat sa kanya. At syempre, makakalimutan ko ba? Si Ever Maniguez. Direk, maraming salamat for bringing the best. Salamat talaga. Para sa inyo to, Lady Diretsa. Maraming salamat sa PFP. Sinabi nila! Siyempre sa aming producer, si Flor. Sis, eto, may nagyari ka rin. Sa wakas, di ba? Maraming salamat din sa'yo. At siyempre yung aming anak doon, si LA. LA, congratulations. Para sa iyo dito, anak. Salamat.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Di po nakapunta si Ate Lee tonight at masama po ang pakiramdam. Kaya nagpapaumanin po siya sa inyong lahat. On behalf of Ate Lee, I would like to receive this award for her. It has been a great pleasure working with Ate Lee in our first movie venture. We are so lucky to have her in this film. We learned a lot from her. She has been helping us, guiding us, along with Boy and De Leon, every aspect of making this movie possible. Her many years of experience and dedication in her craft and support in this industry has really helped us make this film successful. We are forever grateful to her and Boyan for taking the risk in accepting our movie project. We at JJ Productions, as a new producer, appreciate this kind of award-giving body in recognizing our efforts, hard works, and financial risk. Hence, we will continue to produce more movies in order to support this industry. Thank you so much to the men and women behind PMPC Awards, and more power to you. I would like to take this opportunity also to thank my partners, Rajan and Kay, and our EP Regina Magno, who's not here also tonight. She's out of town. And to all men and women behind making tirelessly work for making this movie possible. Thank you so much to all our stars and supporting actors. We appreciate you all. RTB, congratulations for this third Best Actress Award in our movie, When I Met You in Tokyo. You really deserve it and get well soon. Thank you, Lord. Nagpapasalamat po ng taos-puso si Ate B sa patuloy na bibigay po ng bugay sa kanyang craft. Hindi po siya nakapunta ngayong gabi, pero malaking pasasalamat po sa mga bumubuo ng PMPC. Salamat po sa recognition na ito. Thank you very much and good night.
Sa lahat po ng nananalan po sa akin. Dahil sila po salamat sa Panginoon na hindi kami at siyempre, ang maaari sa buhay. Hindi dahil sa kanila. Siguro walang moral doon talaga sa kaya naman yung pagkawa. Ang talagang nakakabuhin, tandaan nila. Maraming salamat. Congratulations. Tagal namin hindi nagkita eh. Congratulations at to be. Umami, congratulations. Salamat. What a night! His 40th edition tradition of the Star Awards for movies is really for the books. History at its finest.
At muli, congratulations po to all of our nominees and winners. You have made all of us proud in the industry. You brought back to life in every cinema ang ating mga pelikula ng Pilipino. We are on track again.
I love it. We are on track. Thank you to the Philippine Movie Press Club for this annual tradition of the Star Awards. Thank you to our producers, our mommy, Tessie Celestina Howard, our favorite of Airtime Marketing Philippines Incorporated, and Sir Vince Mariano of Precision Digital. A big shout out to our director, one of her favorites, Direk Eric Quizon.
Hi, Direk.
Good
Salamat
job,
po.
Direk. You also have made everyone proud right here.
Thank you to all our filmmakers who never gave up, whatever the challenges we have faced, and continue to make beautiful movies. The industry is indeed alive again, and we have you to thank for.
And of course, we will never forget to thank our moviegoers who are the local cinemas tonight. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat as we start TMPC's countdown to the golden year of Star Awards.
10 years. Look on. To God be the glory, and this has been the 40th Star Wars for movies. Good night.